What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to unboxing of a brand new mobile from the Samsung, which is not a brand new but it was released early in the January of this year only, and this mobile is called the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So if you don't know why the Samsung Note series are familiar, within a fraction of seconds you will also let me know. By the way, today onwards I received this package and we will cut this pack and let's see how the mobile inside. It comes in a nicely wrapped bubble one. Nothing else is there. And coming to billing section, it is 40,000 rupees of cost, and so I get it with using the Citibank credit or debit card. You will get additional 5,000 rupees of discount, so it's a great deal to get it now. So on the top, if you see, it is showing the Samsung Note 10 Lite and also the blue SPen. So the Note series are familiar for the SPen, so you guys have already know about it. So a seal in it, nothing else is there. On the bottom they mentioned some specs. I will talk more about this one. And coming to this side, they will mention some of the specs. So coming to the SAR value and everything, in Samsung we have low SAR values. I really like that one. And we have some mobile and etc things. We will see more after unboxing this. We have some sticker in it so that we easily cut this one. Yes, so we will unbox it now. There it is. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So this is the mobile. So the mobile looks very light, so we'll keep these things aside. And we have another card which shows the Samsung, and we have one super fast charger, and it comes with 25 watts, and it's a pretty good thing also. We have this. And coming to next, in this we have this tiny pack where I already mentioned you before that this Samsung Note 10 Lite has a SPen, so that we have some extra tips of the SPen. So that, wait a second, I will show you up. So if you see, we have 2 pins on the back. This is also fine. And coming to next, we have USB-C cable adapter. It's a good thing guys that we have both C to C, so that we charge rapidly also. It's a pretty good thing. So when it comes to the next, we have headphones, and nice to see that this mobile comes up with the 3.5mm headphone jack. It's a very good thing for me also. It's very good. So Samsung branded earphones with a mic as well as some physical buttons on it. It's good. And one thing I am forgotten to show you is inside this we have another box. So on the back you can see the SIM ejector pin. I don't want to remove this one, so I have a lot of SIM ejector pins. So inside in it we have some paperwork as well as nothing else is there. So when it comes to this, we have a quick start guide and warranty code as well as regional log guide. So these are the paperwork we are getting in it. One TPU transparent case. The case looks like okay. So let me keep these things all aside. We will see the mobile itself, how it gonna looks like. So this is the mobile guys, and the mobile looks very slim and light in weight also. In hand it is okay. On the back we have some sticker like one. I will peel off this one. So it's look like very good. Looks like it's glass, but it's not the glass. It's a glass stick. It is a combination of glass as well as plastic, but it is very good. And also seems like they have already pre-installed screen guard in it. Nice to see. And we will add this back case to this mobile, and how it's look like we will see. Good. So this is how it looks like if we add the back case, I mean in box case. switch on the mobile and let's see how it gonna looks like. By the way, we have also some stickers on this one, so we'll remove this also. So we'll boot the device so that we will have a physical idea. So the device is successfully booting up and it shows the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite secured by Knox. So this is how it looks like, guys, mobile, and I will quickly set up this thing and so that we have a very good idea. So this is how the mobile looks like, guys. The mobile looks like very good and stunning. So in single hand also it's very good for me. So it looks like great. And by the way, display looks like very super and punchy colors. You guys have already know about the Samsung displays. Coming to the software and information, we will go to settings and see software information. If you see, it is running on One UI 2.0 and actually One UI 2.1 is also rolled out for this device, and I will update and I will share you in the next video also, not at all a problem. So and also we will check the internal storage also, how much the space is left out. So if you go to the storage, it is a 21.8 GB is used out of 128 GB and memory 2.1 GB is used out of 8 GB. So this is the maximum variant we get in this mobile, 8 GB with 128 GB. So that's all now with the unboxing. And by the way, I missed one is the Note lineup is basically good for its SPen. If you see, this is the SPen, and this SPen is a Bluetooth one also, very good to start, and we have one button on this. I will make a dedicated video about this SPen also in future. Stay tuned, guys. So if you see, you can create notes, anything. So and it's showing that the 100% charging, and if you put this one again in the same position, so like this. So pretty good mobile, and I will share you the things, everything about this mobile within some of the days. So that's all the unboxing, guys.